yoga and you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lavina Bharwani and he's Kabir. So, we are now on episode 4 from the series Pilates for Kids, and let's see what's in store for episode 4. Kabir is going to tell us all about that. Hey Kabir, what are you hiding behind your back?
I have something spectacular to show you all. It's a magic circle or a Pilates ring.
This beautiful Pilates ring increases resistance and also makes the exercises more challenging. Now, we can't wait to show you how to use this ring in our exercises. Exercise number 1 is called the Pilates Hold. Let us start in a sitting position with our legs stretched straight. Grab the magic circle, place it under your legs and raise your legs up. Balance yourself, look forward, stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7. Well done Kabir, your core is working well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently come down. Well done. Exercise number 2 is called thread the needle. We are going to place one leg on the magic circle. The ankle is resting on the magic circle and the other leg we pick up, insert it inside like how we thread a needle and bring it out. Do that for a few times. In and out. In and out. Works very well for your lower ab. In and out. One last time. In and out. Well done Kabir. Exercise number 3 is called the Russian twist. We are going to hold the magic circle in our hands, starting lying down. Come up into a Pilates hold position and move the ring from side to side. Beautiful Kabir, you're doing a great job. Excellent. Last 2 and 1. And relax, lie down completely. Rest your hands on the sides. Exercise number 4 is called the magic curl up. We're going to have the magic circle in our hands. Now place them behind the head. Come up completely, roll up and then curl down back. Knees bent, come back up. Beautiful. Do that for a few counts. Lovely. Knees slightly bent. Your entire body gets the workout here. All these exercises can be done for 30 seconds minimum to 60 seconds maximum. And relax. Place the magic circle back on the side from where you took it. And relax. Exercise number 5 is called the magical high knees. Grab the magic circle and hold them at your shoulder level. Now let's try and do high knees. Make sure your knees are going in the center through your magic circle. Beautiful. Few more times Kabir. Can we try a little faster to add some speed there? Good. That adds to your cardio along with your strength training. Wonderful. Slowly stand straight and relax. The last exercise for this episode is called the magical lunge twist. Let us start standing tall. Place one leg in front of you in a lunge position and twist your circle. Bring it back. Change your leg. Twist, twist and back. Forward, twist, twist and back. One last time. Twist, twist and back. With that, we come to the end of episode 4 from the series Pilates for Kids.
But can I ask you a question? What's the difference between Pilates and yoga?
That's a good question, Kabir. Both yoga and Pilates are low impact exercises. While yoga focuses on mindfulness and flexibility, Pilates focuses on core strength and muscle toning. Yeah? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our series. Bye.